This? Chewy. Do you want your cookies? Chewy. Do you want your cookies? Who wants cookies? Who wants cookies? Who's a good boy?
Yum.
Say hi.
Hi.
Without the face.
Hi.
Are you excited about your last day of 2nd grade?
Yep.
Show me your excited face. Joey. I'm sad.
Why?
Well, I want you to get out of 2nd grade.
Well, I do.
Bye.
I